Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wesley West. I am a film composer and music producer from Cape Town, South Africa. Today I wrote a lovely smooth jazz song and I want to share it with you, how I did it and what I thought about it. So yeah, let's have a listen. Cool, yeah. So it's quite smooth as you can hear. And I started with the piano. So the piano is very simple, it's very sparse, and it kind of has a small solo melody. So for this idea in the song, I had to write something that can loop easily. I mean, it's quite chilled, you know. C major 7, going to F major 7. So it's basically like a pop music progression. Later in the song, it goes to D flat major 7. Same progression. Then A flat, G7, back to C. So that it can loop very nicely. So for the drums, I used Addictive Drums. I love this plugin. It's really, really great. The only thing that I changed were the kick. So I made that it's a bit shorter and not so long, as well as the toms with this transient shaper there, because otherwise it gets too boomy and it takes up a lot of the lower mids. For the bass, I use the Native Instruments factory library upright bass. I really love this one. It's a cool one, easy one to do. And I played it in, as you can see here in the beginning, it walks, well, it actually just plays on 1 and 3, and then later on in the song it walks on every quarter note, which is cool. Yeah. So this song can actually work as a trio. Piano, bass, drums, like very chilled, very easy. But I decided to expand a bit on it. So down here, you can see that I've got strings, some horn pads, and some vibes. And my idea with this was to kind of create a pad effect that are all panned to the right hand side of the stereo field, and my guitar to the left hand. So it sounds like this. I love these horns, they are so good, and they're actually free from Orchestral Tools. These rotary free big band horns. So yeah, go and check them out. Then I went to the second section. I just wrote some strings here. I use Musio. It's very cool. They've got so many interesting things, and yeah, basically everything you need to do film composition or composition. And in the last bit, I have a bit of vibes, of course. The guitar is also playing like longer chords here. And to fill up the rhythm a little bit more, I played some percussion, which you can hear there, with this Cuban, also Native Instruments plugin. Yeah, so it all comes together, sounding like this. Very smooth, very, very easy. So for the mastering on this track, I used FabFilter Pro Q with this multi-band compressor setting. So just smooth this out all the frequencies. Then I added this Sound Toys little radiator. It adds a lot of harmonic richness, or radiation if you want to call it that. Some Soothe, just to take out all those resonances. You want to listen to them. Especially the low mids are kind of a weakness for me mixing. And then classic SSL bus compressor. It's kind of bringing everything together. And I love this mastering plugin, TG Mastering Chain from Waves Abbey Road Studios, and especially this part here where you can to the mids and the sides a bit differently. So you can see here, the sides has a boost at 5.8k and a dip in the sides at 91k, but it's boosted here at 91k in the mids. So yeah, really cool. Let me actually show you the difference. It's quite narrower. That's a bit more wider, a bit more open, which I like. And then I just use this impact ozone to kind of make it sound a little bit less compressed, and fab filter. So yes, there's the song. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to, and I'll see you next time.